are frustrated with tangle knot that leaves your natural hair feeling damaged and weak, stop the breakage. Get ready to see the real growth. This video will give you guidance through the proper detangling techniques that will help transform your hair care routine, and also show you how I made flaxseed gel and see the impact that it does into your natural hair. Flaxseed gel is a natural made flaxseed in water until stick and slippery foam. Prawns, moisture dry hair conditioner. Flaxseed gel is rich in omega-3 and fatty acid and also vitamin E, which helps condition dry, damaged hair and frizz. Prawns provide hair growth and provide strength and growth, and also provide holes and also definition. Prawns may reduce dandruff, natural and non-toxic, no harsh chemical alternatives for commercial hair products. That means you'll be able to save money if you apply this. Cons: not suitable for all hair type. Flexi gel weighs down low porosity and does not provide enough holes for high porosity hair. Also, cons may cause residue potential for hair loss through its often temporary resolve, discontinuous, short shelf life, spot quickly, keep refrigerated for 1 to 2 weeks. Mistake to avoid: do not overcook it, thickens too much. Do not store it more than a week. If so, put some preservative. Fines after use: experience dryness after use of flaxseed. Consider adding ingredients like your honey and also optional your combined gel. Castor oil, tea tree, rosemary, vitamin E. Let's make it. So okay, by making it, you need your flaxseed. You need to start by boiling water first, like you've seen the video of boil water first, then you pour. It's entirely up to you how much like you pour, how many cups you pour, how many teaspoons you pour. But I pour 2 cups. It's not like a full cup. I think it's 30 mils or something like that. Then this is how it thickens. It is, you can see it's like jelly like. I think I love it when it's jelly like than when it's watery like. When it's jelly like, you can see like a real impact it does into your hair. Then you scrape it out from the pot, wait up until it cools off, because when you take it when you try to serve it when it's hot, you can like burn yourself. It's not safe, so make sure that you do it like this, guys. This gel like makes your hair moisturize, keep it dry, keep it like more like keep it away from dryness, like your curls and your coils like pop. Do see the slippery that I'm talking about? So I like it when it shows slippery like this, then when it's like watery. So when it's like this, it is better. I would say if you have made it and appear like this one, I think we have conquered it. It's best when it's like this. For me, even when you apply into your hair, you will see when the video go forward, it blends in with your hair very beautifully. So I think it's best that way. While you are still watching, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, tell your friend about this channel, tell your family member about this channel, tell your granny about this channel, tell your neighbor, like tell anyone that there's this channel in YouTube. Make sure that you also comment if you have tried it. Say something, say holla, say a hi, ask me anything, ask me any personal thing, ask me where I stay, ask me which country I come from. Like, say something, press that like, give out that heart, subscribe, watch up until the end. We need those watch hours, guys. We need those watch hours. I beg, guys. So after, like, make sure that you tara, like, do it like I'm doing. So make sure that even when you apply it, you massage your hair, like you see,
Okay, my
massage
hair
your
is
scalp.
dry now, you can tell. So let's try and see how it does when you apply to a dry hair. It really does give you moisture. Do you see? I've applied to a dry hair. Having the consistency of it, like, do you see how slippery it is? Like, you can tell. I think I've done it well. It's supposed to be like this, guys. Not like watery. So I think I've mastered it and I'm good at this. So this is how you apply it.
Do you see how it blends in with the hair? My hair was like literally dry. I didn't spray any water before I applied this gel. I just put on the gel and you can see the impact that I was talking about in the beginning, how it does into your hair. I even went outside, guys, I wanted to show you and see how the curls like coiling in through the gel inside. So this is how it's supposed to be turned out when we have done it. So when it turns out like this, when you apply into your hair, you will like really see that we have done justice in making it. So I was trying to show you guys, even when you comb, how to see how like the cords, how the detangling brush go through while you are combing. So it's for you guys to see like the real impact of this gel. Don't worry about those seeds that you see through the wash. They were all gone. See you on the next one. Much love and bye.